Hi guys, Ray Race Cards, back in another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I wasn't going to post for a while, but I just couldn't resist not opening this. So that's why I'm opening it today. This is a retail box of 2021-22 Upper Deck Extended Series. I got this at a card shop that I went to on vacation. I got back yesterday, and now I'm just going to open this. So, yeah, Young Guns to find. It's not that great, but Alexander Holtz is one. I don't really know a lot of big names in this because it's not that huge. So yeah, we're gonna open it today. Vegas Young Guns is Paul Cotter and Daniil Miromanov. That is it. Hold up, I'm gonna do something real quick. Alright. Johnny T on the cover. Let's see what we can get, folks. Pack number 1. Dan Vladar, David Camp, Luke Kunin, Marc-Andre Fleury, All-Star Team, and we got a holographics of Mitchie Mitts. Nice, that's a really good one. Then we got an upside-down base of Alex Goligoski for no reason. Garnet Hathaway and Carson Soucy. Pack number 2. Tomas Nosek, Ryan Graves, Jacob Voracek, and we got a Yuki Canvas and the Zov Boone Jenner. And we got Marc-Andre Fleury on the Chicago Blackhawks, Tony DeAngelo, Gustav Forsling, and Louis Eriksson. Also, I'm just a kid. I'm back in school, so not as much uploads. And it looks like we have Orange Dazzlers. Alex Tuck, Brian Elliott, Kyle Clutterbuck, Seth Jones, and we have an Orange Dazzlers, and it is of Jack Campbell. Nice one there. Well, not really a nice one. He's just in the minor leagues of Edmonton. Nick Ritchie, Evan Bouchard, and Adam Larson. Victor Robertson, Pierre Barmar, Marc-Andre, Frederick Gaudreau. We got a Young Guns that is of JJ Peterka. Oh yeah, he's also one of those. That's actually a really nice one. Noah Dobson, Sonny Milano, Peyton Krebs, and Philip Grubauer. Michael Raffle, Ryan Reeves, Denton Heinen, Andreas Johnson. We have another Young Guns, I think, and is of... Oh, no, we have a retro of John Carlson. It's really nice. I actually really like that type of retro of this year's. Teddy Bluger, Yanni Hockenpah, and Ethan Bear. Duncan Keith, Cam Atkinson, Tyler Pitlick, and got Young Guns of Axel Johnson Fialbi. And we got upside down base for absolutely no reason again of Eloy Lemko, Mikko Rantanen, Alex Nedeljkovic, and Mike Hoffman. Marcus Johansson, Nicoletti, Evgeny Svechnikov, Travis McDermott. We have a black diamond, please not duplicate. And it is not, which is a Connor Hellebuck single diamond. Evan Rodriguez, Peyton Krebs, and another upside down base for no reason of Eric Holla. Alexander Carrier, Laurent Brossois, Matthias Janmark. We have another canvas, and it is of Jordan Kyrou. Barclay Goodrow, Arthur Kaliev, Colin Blackwell, and Jake Bean. Matt Roy, Yakov Trenin, Jaden Schwartz, Peter Mrazek. We have another retro. There's a gold stockpile of Brock Besser. Nice. It goes. I have a Leon Draisaitl one of gold stockpile and hope to add to the collection. Jamie Alexiak, Garnet Hathaway, and Carson Soucy. Getting down to the bottom of the first stack here. Nathan Bastian, Logan O'Connor, Connor McDavid got another Young Guns, and it is a Penguin. I think it's Casper Bjorkquist, and it is. I haven't got any duplicates yet, which is really good. Besides base, which obviously I have the entire set already, which I don't care. Connor Garland, Jacob Middleton, Craig Anderson, and Johnny Hubie Doobie-Doo. Sam Lafferty, Mark Physick, Nick Dowd, James Reimer got another. Oh no, this is our Young Guns tribute, and is of Jamie Drysdale, but he's on the Flyers. Huh? It's not duplicate. Sam Carrick, Evgeny Dodonov, and Ryan Donato. Nate Schmidt, Cody Ceci, Brock McGinn. We got another Young Guns, and it is of Raphael Harvey-Pinard. I know this is the wrong set, but from here, it looks like it's a Cold Coffee Young Guns, but the S is actually a R. If you didn't know that, that's really cool. If there's an R on the side, like there's an S on the Harvey-Pinard Young Guns, then that means you probably have a Cold Coffee Young Guns. Pro tip. The more you know. Evander Kane, Antti Ranta, Zach Sanford, and Cale Makar. Second stack. I'm going to open up the old young kid way. Dougie Hamilton, Nick Holden, Mason Appleton, Corey Perry. We got another holographics. This is a Tanner Janelle. This is rookie holographics. Alex Goligoski, Brandon Tanev, and Sean Strom. Matthew Perreault, P.S. Suter, Aiden Hill got another canvas, and is of Charlie Coyle. Michael Matheson, Tyler Bozak, Jeremy Lauzon, Mitch Marner. Hold up. Sorry, guys. Feeling a little under the weather today. I just wanted to open this, though. Another Orange Dazzlers. Jimmy Vesey, Frederick Anderson, Braden Holtby, Rasmus Ristolainen. Got Dazzlers of Troy Terry. Kind of a color match, if you say so. Trevor Lewis, Pavel Buchnevich, and Andrew Ladd. Riley Shanahan. Riley Shanahan. Vinny Hinostroza. Greg Paterno. We got SPX 99 2000 is of Cole Caulfield. This is a rookie. That's really good. I wonder how much this is going for, but I'll check. We got Jason Dickinson, Patrick Nemec, Robert Haig, and John Merrill. Alexander Weinberg, Zach Hyman, Alex Chason, Ryan Ellis. We got another retro. This is our last one probably, and is of Nico Hischier. We have Arthur Kaliev, Jacob McCabe, and Nick Foligno. What are some things that we have been missing so far? Maybe some missing Young Guns. I'm not sure. I think we have one here, though. Sam Reinhart, Barclay Goodrow, Louis Erickson, Gustav Forsling, Tony DeAngelo, Ian Cole, Derek Stepan. We have Young Guns and is of Sean Durzi, but I think he's still on Arizona. Correct me if I'm wrong. Still no duplicates. This has been a very decent retail box. And we also have not gotten any base packs yet. Please. Don't jinx it. Darren Helm, Dmitry Kulikov, Sammy Blay, Ryan Dzingel. Another black diamond. It's a rookie gem. Triple diamond of Quinton Byfield. That's a really nice card, too. Evan Bouchard, Adam Larson, and Marc-Andre Fleury. We're starting to get duplicates of the base. Jordan Hunt. Ooh, we got a canvas mascots card. But I see Bruin. Oliver Larson, Scott Wedgwood, Nick Ritchie, Nate Thompson, Philip Grubauer. Oh, it was Pens, okay. Peyton Krebs, and it is of Iceberg. That's a really neat card. Iceberg due to canvas mascots. This is a really cool card. I actually like that. We've had some good hits in this retail box. Logan Brown, Erica Branson, Samuel Montembeau, Will Butcher. Oh, this is our start base pack. Johnny Hockenpah, Ethan Bear, Noah Dobson, and Sonny Milon. I think we might have a base pack to end it out, which hopefully doesn't happen. Jonas Donskoy, Alexander True, Keith Yandel, Teddy Bluger, Mike Hoffman, Alex Nedeljkovic, and our Young Guns is of nice PC hit, Daniil Miramanov. That is probably the hit for me. I just picked this random one. It was kind of buried inside the case-ish. I didn't want one off the top. Because I like keeping boxes and I don't like damaged boxes. And I picked the right one. The one that I'm happy with. And I've liked it. Oof. Chris Drieger, Christian Dvorak, Adam Fox, Mark Giordano, Derek Brassard, Mikko Rantanen, Colin Blackwell. And we somehow got another retro, and it will be of Ryan O'Reilly. Wonder how his second year of being upright it's gonna be, and I dropped my pack. Please not a base pack to end off. I think that might be the case. Alex Fermenton, Esperi Kokanyemi, Mason Marchment, Antoine Roussel, Andrew Cagliano, Carter Rowney, Brendan Dillon, and Matthew Joseph to end off this wonderful retail box. Recap here. We got base, and here is all of our hits. So, got a Boone Jenner Utica Canvas, Mitch Marner Holographics, Ryan O'Reilly Retro, Daniil Miramanov Young Guns, Iceberg Mascots, Quinton Byfield Rookie Gems, Sean Dursey Young Guns, Nico Hischier Tribute, Cole Caulfield 99-2000. This I didn't notice, but this was chipped off. That's what it appears to be. Troy Terry Dazzlers. Got a Charlie Coyle Utica Canvas. Got a Tanner Jeannot Holographics. Got a Harvey Pinard Young Guns. Jamin Drysdale Retro Young Guns. Got a Casper Bjorkquist Young Guns. Got a gold stockpile of Brock Besser Retro Tribute. Got a Jordan Kyrou Utica Canvas. Connor Hellebuck Black Diamond. XL Johnson Fialbi Young Guns. John Carlson Retro Tribute. JJ Peterka Young Guns. And the Jack Campbell Dazzlers. Before I sign off here, I just want the situation with Johnny and Matthew Gaudreau. Really unfortunate. Hope he rests well. Hope family does well, and hope Columbus Blue Jackets do well in their Stadium Series game. Just a heartbreaking loss. I mean, who would have expected a drunk driver never drink under the influence, will never drive under the influence, and it's just a sad situation that happened within this weekend. So, yeah, rest in peace, Johnny and Matthew. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.